Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is square root of x to power of 1 over x is equal to x to power of 1 over square root of x to find the values of x. In the first step, we start by squaring both sides of this equation, and it will be square root of x to power of 1 over x to power of 2 is equals to x to power of 1 over square root of x to power of 2. In here, this power of 2 will cancel this square root, and it will be x to power of 1 over x is equals to, and here from exponential rule, if we have a to power of m to power of n, this is equals to a to power of m times n. So in here we can write this as x to power of 1 over square root of x times 2. So it will be 2 over square root of x. So in here, our first answer for x is 1, right? Because 1 base is x, right? This base and this base is x. So 1 to power of any number, such 1 over x or 2 over square root of x is equals to 1. We write in here, 1 to power of any number as a is equals to 1. So in here, 1 to power of 1 over x, it will be 1 over 1 is equals to 1 to power of 2 over x. It will be 2 over square root of x. Square root of 1 is 1. So in here, 1 to power of 1 over 1 is 1, and 1 to power of 2 over 1 is 1. So x is equals to 1 is our first answer. And our second answer, in here, the base is common. The base is x. So these powers should be equal, right? This base is equal, so this power should be equal. So we write in here 1 over x is equals to 2 over square root of x. So in here, we square both sides of this equation, and it will be 1 over x to power of 2 is equals to 2 over square root of x to power of 2. And it will be 1 over x to power of 2, it will be 1 over x squared is equals to 2 to power of 2, it will be 4, and the square root of x to power of 2, it will be x. And in next step, we use cross multiplication, this times this and this times this. So it will be x times 1, it will be x is equals to 4x squared, right? And next step, we'll let this to this side, so it will be 4x squared minus x is equals to 0. And here, we factor x, so it will be 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. In here, we have two solutions for x. X is equals to 0, or this 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. And from here, 4x is equals to 1. We take this negative 1 to this side, so it will be 4x is equal to 1. And x is equals to 1 over 4, right? We divide both sides of the equation by 4. So in here we have two answers for x, and we check if this answer is correct. So we write our problem was square root of x to power of 1 over x is equals to x to power of square root of 1 over square root of x, right? And we check for x is equals to 0. So it will be square root of x is 0. 0 to power of 1 over 0 is equals to x 0 to power of 1 over square root of 0, right? So in here, this fraction 1 over 0, the discriminant is 0, and also for this, the discriminant is 0. So we reject this answer. So the discriminant is not acceptable, right? So, and for x is equals to 1 over 4, we check for this square root of x is 1 over 4 to power of 1 over x is 1 over 4, right, is equals to x 1 over 4 to power of 1 over square root of 1 over 4, right? So it will be square root of 1 over 4 to power of 1 over 1 over 4, it will be 4, right? To power of 4 is equals to 1 over 4 to power of, a square root of 1 over 4 is 1 over 2, right? So we're writing here, this is equals to 1 over 1 over 2, and 1 over 1 over 2, it will be 2. So to power of 2. And it will be in here 1 over 4 to power of, we can write this square root as 4 over 2, right? Is equals to 1 over 4 to power of 2. And it will be 1 over 4 to power of 4 over 2 is 2. 2 is equals to 1 over 4 to power of 2. So this equals to this, so this is correct. So x is 1 over 4 is our second answer, and from here x is equals to 1 is our first answer, so we're writing here x is equals to 1, and this is our two answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.